Look up.
No.
Look up.
No.
Look up.
No.
Look up. Fine. Ah! Dude, it's a freaking smiley face.
Where?
Right there.
Where's that there?
Sure. Do you see the smiley face?
A little.
Hello. Really?
Yeah. Thank God. I'm gonna slip and fall.
Whoa.
Look, I'm gonna be here.
Whoa.
My feet keep getting stuck to it. See what I'm doing?
You want to play with the camera? It's still recording though.
Ryan. Does it have sound? Yes, it does.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Hee hee.
Ice.
Shoes.
Dude, I skated over the triangle thing. And almost fell after that. I need longer shoelaces.
Earthquake.
It's like too quiet out here.
It is.
Dude, I would do that one figure skating thing that I told you about, but there's too much snow. Yeah. When are we gonna put water over it?
26 minutes.
I don't know.
It says 26 minutes, 16 seconds.
I don't know.
Well, that's how much we have left. Okay.